So what can a person do if their credit score is too low to qualify for a mortgage today?
So that's a great question. So ultimately, what can you do if your credit score is too low to qualify for a loan? So the first thing you want to do, and I always tell people this, Sophie, is you've got to get your hands on your credit. You cannot fix something that you do not see. So you have to get copies of all 3 credit reports. Now, whether you go to annualcreditreport.com to get copies of all 3, Credit Karma, for example, and I keep bringing that one up, that's just a big name that people know. That gives you 2 of the 3 credit bureaus. I always recommend the 3 credit bureaus themselves, which is www.equifax.com, transunion.com, or Experian.com. I personally like myfico.com. That's the website of the Fair Isaac Corporation. They invented the model, and that's the model we use. So my goodness, I like going to the source of it, I suppose. But step 1, get copies of all 3 bureaus. That's the first thing you do. The second thing you do is you pay off any negative items on your credit. So if you have collections or derogatories or something like that, you want to pay those off. Step 3 is paying off credit cards. High credit card balances relative to limits adversely affects the score. Pay off your credit cards. The third thing, and this is where it turns into a slow play, kind of a long game, is you've got to pay all of your bills on time for an extended period of time. Extended period of time is 1 to 2 to 3 years. So those are the steps to repairing your credit score. The problem is patience is a virtue, and it takes a little bit of time. I just saw a customer drop 83 points from one 30-day late payment on a credit card. That just happened 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
83-point drop. We pre-approved her some months back. She came back to buy. We had to repull the credit. In the mortgage world, credit expires after 120 days. So credit is good for 120 days. We were outside of the window. We repulled credit. Since then, she went 30 days late on one single bill, dropped her 83 points. It's kind of unfair that one late drops you that dramatic of a change. It just is. It's unfortunate, but it is. You got to watch those lates.